My name's Chris Dell and I'm the Managing Director of J&R Self Storage based in Chesterfield. We offer a wide range of self-storage facilities, both for commercial and domestic. With the commercial side, it's generally tradespeople who need somewhere safe and secure to keep their tools overnight. On the domestic side, generally it's for people who are moving, so they need to declutter the house or redecorating, or they're having extension work done on their buildings. We have a wide range of units. They can be anything from 10 square foot up to 1,000 square foot, which is generally used for people who run their own businesses and need an overfill. We offer an archiving service and secure shredding, which allows people to bring in whether it's 1 box, 2 boxes or 100 boxes. And the best thing about it is we can actually destroy the documents at the end of their period. We pride ourselves high on security. We do have 24-hour CCTV, and each customer has their own unique PIN code to get in and exit the building. In addition, each unit has its own individual alarm. We do dust covers, padlocks, pens, everything that you could possibly need to make your life easier to pack your stuff to bring them into self-storage.